Happy New Year, everyone! Today I'm starting the year with this video, and I have these items from SHEIN. These ones are cute little hearts. I recommend that you check for the price yourself because the price change. Sometimes they have sales. The next item I purchased was these professional wood nail files, and they are washable and disinfectable, which is good. Next, I purchased some sticky tabs for press-on nails. I use them as well for my nail stands. Before I was using the adhesive putty, but it was getting a little bit messy for me. So for me, the sticky tabs for press-on nails work better. I'm working towards my business for press-on nails, and that's when I'm getting items that I need. This one is a tweezer. This tweezer is very nice. I really like this one. It has a very sharp, pointy end, and on the back it has like a smoothing tool when you're applying stickers and things like that. I saw this tool for creating ombres. It has an end with a sponge, a round sponge, and it has as well an additional pieces which are interchangeable. Once you get one head dirty or damaged, you can replace it with the other one. So far it looks very nice. I'm gonna be trying this tool on today's video. So far I like it and it looks very nice as well. I have these brushes here. These are supposed to be brushes for acrylic application or maybe for polygel or things like that. But I'm gonna be using them to clean messes around the cuticle area when I'm doing my own nails. They come in sizes 10, 14, and 8. The smaller the number, the smaller the size of the brush. It looks like a nice quality on the bristles, but of course this is all synthetic bristles. And the next item is to package press-on nails, but you can use these boxes for jewelry or craft, if that's what you do. In my case, I purchased them for press-on nails. I see other press-on nails creators using just like a piece of like a card to package their item, but I wanted to give a try to these cases because they look nice and they close very well as well. I just have to apply two lines with double-sided tape to apply the press-on nails in there. I probably have to buy a thicker one because right now I just have this thin one here. But that's how you mount press-on nails on these cases. I'm looking forward to try that. I'm very happy with this purchase, so we'll see what happens. And last, I have nail tips. I purchased them in short almond, short square, and medium almond. I have used these tips before. I like these nail tips for press-ons because they don't have that huge apex, like the Gel-X system, for example. The sizes are from 0 to 10, and they are printed right here inside of the box. These nail tips are rounded around the cuticle area, which I like because they match more the natural nail around the cuticle. Sometimes I have purchased nail tips that are more square around the cuticle area, and then I have to file them to match my natural cuticle shape. And as you can see here, they fit very well. If you're gonna do press-ons, you're gonna be pushing them down with glue or sticky tabs, and they have to be more on the flat side, unless that you have natural nails with a nice apex. These ones are the short square. For a very long time I used to like short square nails, especially with Frenchies. They look really cute. I always go for the size 5 to apply on my index because that's the size I use there. And these ones are rounded as well around the cuticle area, which is nice again. And here are the medium almond. These ones are very nice as well. They are similar to the other ones. They come in sizes again from 0 to 10. And this one have as well a pre-buff area for the application section there. As you can see, they're very flexible. And when you work with nail tips that are made of gel, they're better because they will have less chances of breaking because they're gonna be very, very flexible. Okay, and here are all the items all together. For sure, there is a lot of planning involved when trying to create a press-on nail business. This is another item that I purchased on Amazon, and I'm using it right now to storage some of the items that I'm gonna be using for the application kit. And still organizing everything and planning some cards with instructions and things like that. I think the most important part of the press-on nail business is to create designs that are on demand and trending that people want to purchase. So I'm gonna leave you right now with this cute design that I created on the short almond, and I'll see you in the next video. And I wanna wish you again a very happy new year.